Class 6 Computer Science, 3D Design and Printing using Tinkercad. In this chapter, we will learn about designing with measurements, converting 2D art into 3D models, and printing real objects from digital designs. By the end of this chapter, students will be able to use the ruler tool to measure dimensions and distances between objects on the workplane. They will learn to resize the workplane by changing its width and height to fit the printer. They will also learn to change measurement units by switching between millimeters and inches using the Edit Grid menu. Students will design precise 3D models such as keys and boats with exact dimensions. They will also convert 2D images to 3D by turning a picture into an SVG file and importing it as a 3D shape. Last year, we learned to create simple 3D models using basic shapes and features in Tinkercad. This year, we build models using exact measurements and learn how a 3D printer turns them into real objects. Tinkercad is a simple, free, online 3D design tool used to create designs from scratch or modify existing ones. It runs in a browser, so there is no software to download. It works directly in a web browser. Tinkercad is easy to use, and built-in guided lessons help you learn while you design. Designs are stored in the cloud, saved online, and accessible from anywhere. The ruler tool is found in the Helpers section on the right side of the Tinkercad window. To use the ruler, first drag an object onto the workplane. Next, drag the ruler tool from Helpers onto the workplane. Click and drag the circle to move or rotate the ruler. Align it to any node of your object to measure from that point. Click the X on the ruler to dismiss it. The ruler works like an axis. It has a positive side and a negative side, similar to a number line. An object to the right of the ruler shows a positive distance, while an object to the left shows a negative distance. As a handy tip, line the ruler up with two edges of a shape to see exactly how far apart a hole should be from each edge. The snap grid controls how precisely objects move on the workplane. It is hidden in the bottom right corner of the design area. Click the black drop-down arrow to see the options. The default setting is 1.0 millimeter. A lower number gives higher precision. The options are off, 0.1, 0.25, 0.5, 1.0, 2.0, and 5.0 millimeters. To use Edit Grid, click Edit Grid in the bottom right corner of the workplane to open grid properties. To resize the workplane, type a new width and height, then click Update Grid. The default size is 200 millimeters by 200 millimeters. To change units, use the Units dropdown to switch between millimeters and inches. Example 1 is designing a key. First, shape the head by resizing 3 cylinders to 33 millimeters and a box to 4 millimeter in height. Then, group them into a rounded head shape. Second, add the shaft by setting a 4 millimeter diameter cylinder to a length of 60 millimeters. Third, cut the teeth by building a small box, setting it to hole, and grouping it into the base to cut a notch. Fourth, punch the bow hole by using an 8 millimeter hole-type cylinder at the top of the head for the keyring hole. Finally, select all parts and click Group to merge them into one finished key. Example 2 is designing a boat. First, build the hull using a 70 by 30 by 5 millimeter box, plus a rotated roof shape reshaped into a pointed bow. Second, add a new workplane by placing a fresh workplane on top of the hull to build the cabin above it. Third, build the cabin using a smaller box measuring 62 by 22 by 15 millimeters, centered with the ruler tool for exact placement. Fourth, add smokestacks using 3 8 millimeter cylinders, evenly spaced 19 millimeters apart on top of the cabin. Finally, cut windows using hole-type cylinders through the cabin sides, then group the full design. To convert a 2D image into a 3D model, the image must use only solid colors with no gradients or shadows, and it must be converted into SVG format before importing. First, find an image by searching Google Images for a simple outline image, such as butterfly outline. Second, convert it to SVG by copying the image URL into a free online converter to get a scalable vector graphic. Third, import it into Tinkercad by using the Import button to place the SVG file onto the workplane. Fourth, turn it into a hole by pushing the shape into a box and setting it to hole to engrave the design. Finally, group the shapes to create keychains, phone covers, and more. Printing 3D objects takes a digital model and turns it into a physical object. 3D printing turns a digital model into a physical object by building it up in layers. The digital model is the finished design in Tinkercad. It is sliced into layers, as software cuts the model into thousands of thin slices. The printer then prints layer by layer, building from the bottom up, one slice at a time. The layers stick together to form the final solid object. A 3D printed object is created using additive processes, in which material is added layer by layer, unlike traditional manufacturing, which often cuts material away. The main components of a 3D printer include filament, the printer's ink, which is loaded on a spool and can be ABS or PLA. The extruder draws in, melts, and pushes out the plastic. It is the print head. The nozzle is a small hollow steel rod that deposits melted filament. The print bed is the surface on which the 3D object is printed. The cooling fan cools the plastic right after it is deposited so it holds its shape. The SD card reader loads design files directly without needing a computer. ABS and PLA are the two most common types of 3D printer filament. ABS stands for acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. It was the original filament created for 3D printing. ABS requires more heat to melt and form strong layers, must be printed on an enclosed, heated plate, and produces a strong, unpleasant smell when heated. PLA stands for polylactic acid. It is a biodegradable, corn-based product and typically emits fewer fumes than ABS filament. PLA is easier to print with and does not require a heated bed. Its drawback is that it can start to melt at 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your design is complete, click Export and choose your options. The Include option can include everything in the design and print the entire model at the same time. Choosing selected shapes prints different parts of your design separately. For the file format, choosing .stl saves the 3D model in STL format, ready for 3D printing. The file downloads to your computer's Downloads folder. For laser cutting instead of 3D printing, Tinkercad can also export designs as SVG files. XYZware is an application used with the DaVinci 3D printer to import and print STL files. View lets you see the object's contents and structure from any angle. Move adjusts the X, Y, and Z position of the object on the print bed. Rotate can improve print quality and strength by changing the object's orientation. Scale enlarges or reduces the print size proportionally. Info shows the object's size and position details. Remove deletes selected objects from the virtual print bed. Print options affect print quality, stability, and strength. Quality impacts print time. High quality means thinner layers and finer detail, but a longer print time. Raft creates a stable base under the object and is useful for thin, long, or unstable shapes. Support consists of printed structures that hold up overhanging parts so the model does not collapse. The 3D density setting adjusts the internal honeycomb structure of the printed object from hollow to solid. 10% is low density. It gives a shorter print time but a relatively weak structure and is suitable for decorative objects. 30% is medium density and gives higher strength than low density. It is recommended for objects with a mechanical purpose. 50% is high density and is suggested for durable objects or functional mechanical parts. 90% is solid density. It is highly dense and durable, but takes longer and needs more filament. Shells are the outer layer of the printed object. Thick shells provide better print quality, but take longer to print. With the normal setting, the outer structure consists of 2 layers. Thin shells give a shorter print time, but are more vulnerable to breaking. Layer height alters the thickness of each layer the printer creates. Thinner layers give finer detail, but take longer. Speed adjusts printing speed based on the size and precision needed. A better quality print goes with a lower printing speed. Simple care habits keep a 3D printer working reliably. Only use the printer with training. Do not use it unless you have been trained on it. Keep the build plate clean because a clean plate helps prints stick and release properly. Lubricate sliding surfaces to prevent friction that could wear out moving parts. Clean the nozzle regularly and use a small drill to clear clogs from time to time. Tighten pulley screws because vibration from motion can gradually loosen them. Store filament properly by removing it and keeping it away from moisture when it is not in use. The ruler, snap grid, and edit grid tools give designs exact, repeatable dimensions. Keys and boats were built step by step using measured shapes, holes, and grouping. Outline images can be converted to SVG and imported as 3D shapes. Sliced digital models are built layer by layer using ABS or PLA filament. Quality, raft, support, density, shells, and speed all shape the final result. Remember, a 3D printer only prints what it is told. Exact measurements in Tinkercad become exact layers on the print bed. Always ask a trained adult before operating a 3D printer. Review the material again to reinforce what you have learned. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video.